Okay, students, let's start with next exercise 4.2. In this exercise, we are going to find the solution of a quadratic equation by the method of factorization. So this method is also called middle term splitting method. Middle term splitting method. Now, students, we have already done this method in class 9 where we find the factors of the quadratic polynomials. Now in the same way here also we just first find the factors, and then when we equate with 0 we are able to get the roots of the quadratic equation. Either you call it roots or solution. So let's start with exercise 4.2. Now फाइंड द रूट्स ऑफ द कॉर्डिकेशन बाय फैक्टराइजेशन. तो चाहे हम सॉल्यूशन बोलें या रूट्स बोलें, वन इज द सेम थिंग. सो फर्स्ट पार्ट इज एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3x minus 10 equals to 0. Now students, listen, here we have to be little careful about taking the factors. So here what we'll do, we just take the two numbers. One is the constant term and the coefficient of x square. Now here the coefficient of x square is what? 1. So 1 into 10 is 10. Now what we do? We find its prime factors. So what are the prime factors of 10? 2, 5. So means we have to use this 5 and 2 to get 3. So students, we know when we subtract 5 and 2 we will get 3. So we can write this as x square. In place of 3 what do we write? 5 minus 2. ओके. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि भाई हमने जैसे 10 और 5 हो गया, 10 into 1 भी 10 होता है. सो हमने ये जो फैक्टर निकालने हैं हमने इस तरह से निकालने हैं कि उनको प्लस से माइनस करके दिस टर्म वी गेट विच इज इन द मिडल. दैट्स व्हाई दिस मेथड इज कॉल्ड मिडल टर्म splitting method. So middle term is the coefficient of x. Now when you open it, x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now take common. Here we get x. So x minus 5, x minus 5 equals to 0. Now what is common in these two? X minus 5 is common, and we left with, here we left with x, here we left with plus 2. Now students, here we have two vectors. One is x minus 5 and x plus 2. So what we do? Now we have to equate this with 0. So either x minus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. So this means, what's the value of x? When you shift minus 5 to this side, it will become plus 5. This 2 becomes minus 2. So students, in this way we are able to find the solution or root. So what is the solution? 5. So therefore x is equal to 5 and minus 2 are the roots of quadratic equation. Okay. So similarly students, we can find out the factors for rest of the parts. Make sure कि हमें किस नंबर के फैक्टर्स निकालने होते हैं? द कांस्टेंट टर्म which is not having any variable and the coefficient of x square. So take second part, 2x square plus x minus 6 equal to 0. अब बताइए what is constant term here? 6 is constant, we write 6. 2 is constant, we write 2. Now इसके factors, 2 के factor तो 2 ही होंगे. And what are the factors of 6? 2 into 3. Now we have to make the pair of numbers using these three मल्टीपल्स। सो देखिए, अगर हम लिखते हैं ऐसे 3 to the 6, 6 minus 2 is 4, यहाँ तो 1 चाहिए हमें, ये नहीं होगा। इफ यू राइट 6 plus 2 that is 8, वो भी नहीं होगा। नाउ मेक दिस पेयर 2 into 2 4 and 3। अब बेटा what is 4 minus 3? That is 1। यहाँ में भी 1 ही चाहिए। देखो अगर यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं लिखे तो अंडरस्टूड है, the coefficient of x is 1, so we can write this as 2x square। in place of 1 we write 4 minus 3। तो बेटा याद रखना कि आपका जो नंबर होगा वो इस तरह से होगा कि उनको प्लस या माइनस करके मिडिल टर्म आनी चाहिए। That's why we call this method as middle term splitting method। So open it, 2x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 6। Now look at this, what is common in this 2? 2 is a multiple of 4, 2 भी common है। In between x square and x is common, so we write 2x common, here we left with x, here we left with 4। between these two 3 is common, माइनस कॉमन ले लिए तो माइनस का प्लस बन गया। एंड इन दिस वे आउट ऑफ दिस 2 x plus 4 x plus 2 is common, then we left with 2x minus 3 equal to 0। I'll repeat, देखिए बच्चों, जब हम 2x कॉमन लेंगे यहाँ x आ जाएगा, 2 to the 4 we get 2 common, here we take 3 common, 3 to the 6, so between these two x plus 2 is common। Now so we write here x plus 2 because x plus 2 is common। now we have to equate it, either x plus 2 equal to 0 or 2x minus 3 equal to 0। Understand students? Now equate this, so what we get, x plus 2 equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 2, because when we shift to right side here 2x minus 3 equal to 0 means x is equal to, अब देखिए बेटा 3 becomes plus 3, 2 डिवाइड हो जाएगा, ओके, so we get 3 by 2। so in this way the factors, the roots या zeros बोल सकते हैं हम of this quadratic equation are minus 2 and 3 by 2, okay, are the roots of quadratic equation। I hope students you understand। Now we continue with the next part। now be little careful about the third part। here we have root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equals to 0। अब method remains same, constant term is this one and the coefficient of x square is root 2, so we have to find its factors। this is root 2 5 root 2, ठीक है। now how we get 7? so बेटा देखिए, what is root 2 into root 2? that is 2। so means you can say that the factors of 7 are what? 2 plus 5। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अंडरस्टैंड बेटा? मैं फिर से समझा रहा हूं, देखिए हो सकता है आपको इसमें कंफ्यूजन हुई हो। हमें फैक्टर्स निकालने हैं कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर के, वो क्या है? रूट 2 है। इसका कोएफिशिएंट क्या है? 5 रूट 2। अब ये तो ऑलरेडी फैक्टर्स हैं, लेकिन हमें चाहिए 7। अब देखिए व्हाट इज रूट 2 इंटू रूट 2? वो 2 होता है, 2 इंटू 5। तो हम इस रूट 2 इंटू 5 रूट 2 क्या लिख सकते हैं? 2 इंटू 5 लिख सकते हैं। एंड वी नो दैट 2 plus 5 is 7, so it means in place of 7 we can write 2 plus 5। now open the bracket। so आगे समझ में आपको? तो इसी तरह से 2 plus 5 लिखेंगे हम इसमें, रूट 2x स्क्वायर, 2 into x is 2x, 5 into x is 5x प्लस 5 रूट 2 इक्वल टू 0। अब लेंगे हम कॉमन, Now it is root 2, it is 2. How we can take common? हमें पता है 2 can be written as root 2 into root 2 because we have to take common. So root 2 common आ गया, we left with here x and here we left with root 2. What between these two, what is common? 5 common, we get root 2. Up the common between these two is x plus root 2 is here, root 2x plus 5 equals to 0. So either x plus root 2 equal to 0 or root 2x plus 5 equals to 0. So in this way, when we equate this, it will become minus root 2 and this will become minus 5 by root 2. So here we get the roots. So therefore x is equal to minus root 2 and minus 5 by root 2 are the roots of this quadratic equation. So I hope you understand the parts. Now the next part is 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equals to 0. Okay students, so here the constant term is in fraction. So students, try to convert it into whole numbers or integers. So कैसे करेंगे? If we take the LCM of it, so what is the LCM? It's 8. So when you divide it, it's 1 by 8 by 1 is 8. 8 into 2, 16 x square. Here again 1. 8 divided by 1 is 8. 8 into x is 8x plus 1 equals to 0. So shift this to that side. So we can write this as 0 into 8, which is 0. So means we can write this quadratic equation as 16x square minus 8x plus 1. अब हम करेंगे आगे इसके फैक्टर्स निकालेंगे. So how to split the middle term? Middle term is 8, but we have to find the factors of coefficient of x square and 1. So coefficient of x square is 16 and coefficient of is 1. So what are the factors? 16 is 2 into 2 is 4 to the 8 to the 16. अगर आप बेटा ऐसे नहीं फाइंड कर सकते हो तो वैसे ऐसे फाइंड कर लिया करो. 2 8 the 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. तो इस तरह से हमारे कितने 2 आ जाएंगे? We have 4 2s. Now we have to make the group. अब what is this? 2 into 2 is 4. 2 into 2 is also 4. So 4 plus 4 क्या होता है? 8. तो इसलिए we can write this as 16x square. In fact, in place of 8 we write 4 plus 4 times x. So 16x square minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. So taking common. So what is common? 4x common. 4x minus 1. Minus 1 common. 4x minus 1. So out of these two, 4x minus 1 is common. अब देखिए यहाँ पर दोनों ही फैक्टर सेम आए, कोई बात नहीं, आने दीजिए फैक्टर सेम. सो आइदर 4x minus 1 equal to 0 or 4x minus 1 equal to 0. So therefore what we get? x is equal to 1 by 4. यहाँ पर भी वही आ जाएगा. तो इट मीन्स क्या हो गया? We have two roots which are same. So therefore x is equal to 1 by 4 and 1 by 4 are the roots of given quadratic equation. इस तरह से आपके आंसर्स सेम भी आ सकते हैं, जैसे यहाँ पर आए दोनों 1 by 4 आ गए. आपके आंसर अलग भी आ सकते हैं, whatever may be, but you have to be little careful during this. You have to split the middle term in such a way that on plus minus you will get this term. Okay. So next, fifth, 100x square minus 20x plus 1 equal to 0. So student, the best way is you stop this video, solve it yourself, and then check it from the video whether you have done right or wrong. Okay. So अब यहां पर हम किसके वेक्टर निकालेंगे? Method is same. Constant term is 1. Coefficient of x scale is 100. So we find the factors of 100 into 1. Now the factors of 100. 2 into 2 4 into 5 4 5 is 20. 20 into 5 100. These are the vectors. Now अब इनको किस तरह से लिखें कि we get 20. Now just we make pairs. अगर हम ऐसे करते हैं 2 to the 4 and 25, तो क्या इनको ऐड करके 20 आ रहा है? नहीं आ रहा है. इनको सब्ट्रैक्ट करके 20 आ रहा है? नहीं आ रहा है. सो मीन्स अब हम कोई और पेयर लिखेंगे. सो अब अगर हम ऐसे करते हैं 2 into 5, ये भी 10 है, एंड दिस 2 into 5, ये भी 10 है. सो व्हाट इज 10 plus 10? 20. So means in this way we can use these factors as 100x square 10 plus 10 times x plus 1 equal to 0. Now open the bracket. 100x square minus 10x minus 10x, because when you open it plus minus minus हो गया. Now what is common between these two? 10. X is common, so it is, we have 10x minus 1. Here also minus 1 common, 10x minus 1 equals to 0. So up between these two, 10x minus 1 is common and it is equal to 0. So either this 10x minus 1 equal to 0 or 10x minus 1 equal to 0. Just like this part, इसके फैक्टर भी सेम ही आ रहे हैं. तो your roots are 1 by 10 and 1 by 10. So therefore these are repeated roots or equal roots are the roots of given quadratic equation. Okay students, in this way you just students first solve these questions again and then try the questions given in examples. Now question number second is solve the example 1. Up now just turn your pages. Example 1, open example 1. There the word problem is given and you have to find the factors. So if you read that word problem, first part, this example have two parts. John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. इन दोनों के पास मिलाकर 45 marbles हैं. किसके बाद कितने हैं? We don't know. Both of them lost 5 marbles. और जब दोनों के 5 marbles गुम हो गए, then the product of the marbles which are left with them is 124. So this is the condition. So how to start? Let the marbles with John be x. मान लो जॉन के पास x marbles हैं, तो how many marbles are with Jivanti? So therefore the marbles with Jivanti are, बोलिए, अगर दोनों के पास मिलकर थे 45, एक के पास x है तो बाकी कितने बच गए? 45 minus x. Understand students? I'll repeat. As a whole, these Johan and Jivanti have 45 marbles. If John have x, Jivanti have 45 minus x. Ab the question is, when both of them lost 5 marbles. So what is the condition? According to given condition, when John lost 5 marbles, the marbles left are x minus 5. ठीक है. When Javanti lost 5 marbles, the marbles left with Javanti are 45 minus 5 minus x minus 5. Then the product of the marbles which are remaining, ये 2 marbles remaining है, इनका जो product दिया है, that product is given to be 124 is equal to 124. I hope students you understand. Initially they are having total 45 marbles. Then we distribute them. One is having x, other is having 45 minus x. Then out of these two, if 5 marbles are just taken away from them, so we left with this. So solve करिए इसको. 45 minus 5 is 40. Now solve it. X into 40, 40x, x into minus x square, minus 5 into 40, minus 200 plus 5x. ठीक है. Because we have to multiply this x with the whole, ये आ गया. minus 5 with the whole, ये आ गया. अब इसको सॉल्व करिए. It is minus x square, 40x minus 200 is minus 160. 45x plus 5x. Because we have to add like terms. 45x minus 200 minus 124. Because when we shift this to this side, it will become minus 124. अब इसको solve करिए. So what we have? Minus x square plus 45x minus 324 equal to 0. Now take x minus common. X square. Now why we take minus common? Because you have to make the coefficient of x square as positive. So we take minus common. All the signs are changed. Now, अब बेटा, what to do? We have to find the value of x. For that, what to do? We have to find the factors of 324. क्योंकि यहाँ पर x के coefficient 1 ही है. So 1 into 324. So factors of 324 कितना हो जाएगा? 2 into कितना बच गया? 162. Again 2 बच गया. कितना बच गया? 81. 81 के फैक्टर्स क्या हो जाएंगे? 3 into 27. Then 3 into 3 into 3. So बेटा आप इसको कर लिए करो. ठीक है. By the method of factorization, you will get these factors. Now we have to arrange these numbers in two pairs, one pair of integers, such that on addition or subtraction we will get 45. So arrange them. सोचिए कैसे आएगा ये. देखिए अगर हम करते हैं 3 to 9, 3 to 27, 3 to 6 to 12, 27 and 12 होते हैं 45? नहीं होते हैं ना. ओके. नाउ 3 to 9, 2 to 18, 18 to 36. ये 36 आ गया. एंड 3 to 3, 9. अब देखिए व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ 36 and 9? इट इज 45. तो मीन्स तो ये आपको बेटा सारा परम्यूटेशन कम्बिनेशन लगा के सोचना है कि हम कौन से नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करें कि वी गेट 45. तो हमारे दो नंबर्स आ गए. एक्स स्क्वायर 36 प्लस 9. नाउ एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 36x माइनस 9x प्लस 324. बेटा इफ यू वांट यू कैन स्किप दिस स्टेप आल्सो. अब इस स्टेप को अगर आप स्किप भी कर दोगे तब भी चलेगा. नाउ अब बेटा बताइए व्हाट इज कॉमन? x कॉमन. सो x minus 36. Here minus 9 common, x minus 36. तो बेटा if you are right, then these factors must be same. ये factors same आएंगे तो means आप ठीक कर रहे हो. So x minus 36 common and we left with x minus 9 equal to 0. तो मतलब two factors कौन से आ गए? So either x minus 36 equal to 0 or x minus 9 equals to 0. So what's the value of x? X comes to be 36 and here x comes to be 9. अब इनमें से आंसर कौन सा है? Because when we have just got equation, तब both answers are right. But here we have to find the value of x. So means if Johan have 36 marbles, तो how many marbles are with Javanti? 45 माइनस 36 कितने हो जाएंगे 9। तो अगर हम ये वैल्यू पुट करते हैं तो मीन्स इफ जॉन हैव 9 मार्बल्स, जवंती है 45 माइनस 9 मीन्स 36, तो मीन्स बोथ आर करेक्ट। सो देयरफॉर इफ मार्बल्स विद जॉन, अगर मान लो 36 है, if you put x value 36, so therefore marbles with जीवंती कितना हो जाएगा 45 minus x, that is 45 minus 36 and we get 9। ये भी ठीक है। तो अगर आप ये वैल्यू पुट करते हो, so if marbles with John is 9, then the marbles with जीवंती कितना हो जाएगा बोलिए 45 माइनस x मीन्स 36। तो मतलब बोथ आर करेक्ट। इफ जॉन हैव 9 मार्बल्स, जीवंती हैव 36। इफ जॉन हैव 36, जीवंती हैव 9 मार्बल्स। ओके, नाउ द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, as per the example 1, just read out this question. A cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. कितने toys produce किए we don't know. Let the number of toys produced be on that day be x. So let number of toys produced on a day be x. ठीक है। नाउ द कॉस्ट ऑफ द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ईच टॉय, और हर एक टॉय कॉस्ट कितनी दी हुई है 55 माइनस द नंबर ऑफ टॉयज। अब देखो अगर टॉय प्रोड्यूस की x, तो व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ वन टॉय, क्या बोला गया इसमें 55 माइनस द टॉयज मींस द कॉस्ट ऑफ वन टॉय इज, सो देयरफॉर कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ टॉय कितना लिखा बेटा इधर, द कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ईच टॉय, मतलब हर एक टॉय की जो कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन है वो है 55 माइनस द नंबर ऑफ टॉयज, रुपीज 55 माइनस एक्स। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड। आई रिपीट, कितने टॉयज प्रोड्यूस किए वी डोंट नो, इसलिए हमने इसको एक्स मान लिया। अब कह रहे हैं कि अगर एक्स टॉयज प्रोड्यूस हुए हैं तो एक टॉय कॉस्ट कितनी है 55 माइनस एक्स, ठीक है, ऑफ अ टॉय। Now, on a particular day, the total cost of production was 750. So the total cost of production कितनी दी है हमें 750 दी हुई है। So since total cost of production on a day is rupees 750, ये हमें गिवन दिया है। अब बेटा बताओ कैसे आएगा रिलेशन इसकी, कितने टॉय प्रोड्यूस किए x और एक टॉय कॉस्ट अगर इतनी है तो टोटल कॉस्ट कितनी हो जाएगी x इंटू दिस, सिंपल लॉजिक। सो दिस मीन्स x इंटू 55 माइनस x इज इक्वल 750। ठीक है बच्चे, मान लो आपके पास टॉयज है 20 और एक टॉय कॉस्ट है 10 रुपीज, सो व्हाट इज द टोटल प्रोडक्शन 20 इंटू 10। अब इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लिए, this is 55x minus x square is equal to 750. So your quadratic equation becomes this one. But as I told you earlier, you try to make the coefficient of x square as positive. So what we do? We take minus common. So all the sign will be changed. 750 equal to 0. So this will become, because when you shift this minus 1 to this side, it is 0 minus 1. So 0 divided by anything is 0. So we get 0. Okay, now अब क्या करेंगे बेटा, same, we have to find the factors of 750 and the coefficient of x square. So 750 and coefficient of x square is 1. So its factors now. So you get 2. देखिए बेटा, अगर आपको मुश्किल लगे तो you can find the factors like this. 2, 3, 75 okay, then 3 1 25, again अब बेटा 5 25, 5 into 5 5 into 1. So in this way you are able to get the vectors. So क्या vectors बन गए आपके, देखो 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. अगर आप डायरेक्टली नहीं कर सकते हो, you can find the vectors like this also. Now make the pair. We want 55. कैसे आएगा? If you write 5 at 25, 5 is 15 to the 30. So what is 30 plus 25? होता है ना 55. तो फैक्टर क्या हो जाएगा? ये हो जाएगा 30, ये हो जाएगा 25. So you can write 30 plus 25. Okay? Open it. Minus 30x minus 25 plus 750 equals 0. X common. X minus 35. Now 25 common. X minus 30 equals to 0. So here x minus 30 common. Now x minus 25. Either this equal to 0. So either x minus 30 equal to 0 or x minus 25. So what we get? We get two values. One is 30 and this 25. Now let's see which is the correct answer now. So if the number of times produced are x means 30. So what is 55 minus 30? 25. तो means अगर number of toys 30 है तो एक की कॉस्ट 25. अगर number of toys 25 होंगे तो दूसरी कॉस्ट कितनी हो जाएगी? एक की कॉस्ट 30 हो जाएगी. So both are correct. So therefore if number of toys produced is equal to x which is 30. अगर हम लेते हैं यहाँ 30 तो बताइए. So what we get? So therefore cost of production of a toy. So therefore cost of production of a toy is 55 minus 30, that is rupees 25. And similarly, and if number of toys produced, अगर हम लेते हैं क्या 25 is 25. So therefore cost of production of a toy कितना जाएगा वो? Same, put it here, rupees 55 minus x, that is rupees 30. So means both the answers are correct.